going on YouTube? This is Gemini G7. We're back for another review, and these are car parts, and these are for car related. Okay, so you guys see my other video when I showed the headlights, and you guys seen the other video on the Subaru. We had the taillights and the other stuff. So I'm going full out on this one here, so that way she can see well. When we both drive the car, we both see well. We're gonna do a facelift on the Subaru WRX, and there's a couple more boxes here also showed up. And let's dive down and get to it. So the first box here. Okay. So what we got. Okay. Now this one. Whoops. Okay. That's cut. Alright, so these right here, you guys know that the Subaru has fog lights, okay? Then the very bottom corner, the headlight, the signal light, the headlight, and then the very bottom you get a signal light, and then you get your fog light. All lights use halogen bulbs. I'm gonna convert every single of those damn bulbs to LED, so it'll be much more brighter, more efficient, and looks sick and badass. Okay, so what's in this box? This one here, we got, these are the SUBARU Speed. This one here is also from SUBARU Speed as well. Obviously this is a very good brand here, Morimoto, very good brand. I use this brand on my 370Z. Shoot. And then this box, that's so much stuff, right? Okay. All of this for this. Can you believe that? Okay, whatever. Okay. All right. Obviously on the headlight I couldn't show you up close and personal because it's so big. These right here are actually smaller, so we're gonna go ahead and dive down on close and show you what I got in the box. All right, catch you guys in a bit. All right guys, the first box, the SUBARU Speed Auto Revelation clear lens with matte black base. Oh, I know what this is. I want you guys think about that for a second. Ready? Did you guys figure out what it is? All right. These are, let's see, what's this back here? Okay, so I see, what in the world are these? Okay, so I see 2 amps here, and these heat sink wires here, obviously the instruction manual, and I don't know what in the world these are. Oh, this is gonna be a fun weekend trying to install these bad boys and make sure they work. Okay. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3. We got 4 heatsink wraps. I don't want to lose it. Throw it back in the bag. We got some amps here with some 3D tape. Looks like I'm gonna find out how to mold this sucker around the car. 50 watts, 6 ohms. Okay. So I'll put this back in there. I'll damage it. These, I have no idea what these are. They look like look like something you can tie down with, like you wrap over, I'm guessing. I'm not too sure. We'll get to it. And then the instruction manual for this, and I'll let you guess what these are. These are fully LED WRX LED front indicator lamp. Okay. Functions: LED turning signal amber, plug and installation. So you get your T20 connector, you get your black wire and your red wire. Please connect the T20 connect wire to the OEM socket. Notice there are positive and negative on the socket. LED connecting the black and red wire connects to the resistor. Use one resistor on each side lamp. Oh, okay, I feel you. So these two go together. Okay. Notice before installation, please check if the wire and the socket are damaged or not in case of cause a short out. Okay, so you got one. The kit comes with one set the stainless steel cable ties. Oh, so these are cable ties. Stainless steel cable ties. That's what they are. Okay. Number two, you got two resistors. Number three, you got heat shrink tubes. 4. So that's what it comes in the kit. Okay. Now we got these bad boys here. We got the box. And bam! Look at that, full LED. Here you go. And that's where. Please remove. I'll remove that later. You got your 2 bolts here. This is where you connect your resistors. That's it say. Please connect T20 connected to the OEM socket. Notice the positive and negative on the socket. The LED connecting the black and red wire connect to the resistor. So black wire and red wire. The black and red wire, these two right here, connects to the resistor. Use one resistor for each lamp. So these two here, you put the resistor together. Okay. And these are what that looks like. Clear black housing with black housing with clear lens. So these are all LEDs. Okay. All LEDs. It's gonna look good. Okay, I like it. So far looking good, clean. Yeah, this is the upward. This is the way it's supposed to sit. This goes right here on the passenger side. Okay, looking good. Check out the driver's side real quick. Make sure there's no scratch stings, anything like that. And it goes wrong, I don't have to complain and exchange or return or whatever whatnot. This is the driver's side. Okay, that's looking good. So we're going with a black, red, and carbon fiber theme on the car. Red, now black is the main color. Red accents and gray accents as well. So it'll be black, red, and gray accents on the car. That's the color that I'm sticking with. She likes red. I just want to do black and carbon fiber, but she likes red, so we're throwing in red here and there. Okay, it looks really good. All right, let's put this back in the box. Put these back in here. And especially the instruction manual, that's a must, because I gotta know what I'm doing. Okay, so this box here is done. Completely done. Super sweet. Next box. These are Morimoto brand. Really good. And XB LED fog lights. So now, normally that we're doing the headlights, we're not just doing the amber light. It's a signal amber light. Now we're doing the fog light as well. This car is getting a full front facelift, a makeover for all the lights. Okay, so I see one bag of goodies here. These are sockets here. One pair of sockets. Okay. I think it's decent size. Let's open the sucker up. Unwrap slowly. Okay, and it comes from the top. And bam. Again, black housing with a clear lens. That's the theme we're going with all our lights. And this is the driver's side, it looks like. I think it's the driver's side. Yeah, that is badass. Look at that. It even says Morimoto logo inside the lens on the very top, if you guys can see it. They made these fog lights. This car is gonna be bright as hell on the road. Got a nice big heat sink right here to reduce heat. This looks like an adjuster up and down, I'm guessing, and you got your plugs here. I'll tell you that later. It's looking good, man. This Subaru WRX is gonna look clean as hell. Obviously, I'm gonna be doing all the freaking work and installing. Now that's gonna be fun. It might take me the whole entire day doing it because I don't know this car inside and out yet. Oh, also in here we got a bag of goodies here. Some screws. You got 2, 4, 6, 8. You got 8 screws here. Okay, and instructions. Digital install guide. Digital install guide. Oh, to register your product. Yeah, this is to register your product. Okay. Oh, it's an instruction, but the digital style. So I guess you use a scan code or something. Go to www.morimotohid.com. Select Lightning from menu. Select the product category. Find your product. Select the install guide button. Oh, okay. Show you how to install it. Okay. I guess it's trying to save money without giving you an instruction manual. Okay, so now we've seen the fog lights, because the all the lights in front of the Subaru WRX is all clear, you know, clear and a little bit amber here and there, and they're all halogen lights, and they all shine orange light. So she can't see well. I said, all right, you want me to do something about it? I'll do something about it, and I'm going all out on it. And you know, this is also an anniversary gift from a fiance, so put those socket lights back in there. And I say, why not? I'll drive the car too, not just her. Now, last but not least, you're wondering what the hell this is. These are JDM's 2015 Plus for WRX. These are emblems, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to do these. So we're changing the emblems, the blues, to these. So these are the carbon fiber with red stars on them. As I said, I mentioned before, the main color will be black, but we're going to throw red accents on it and carbon fiber and red accents on it as much as we can, but not overdoing it and still make the car look hella good, you know. So these are the emblems. Okay, carbon fiber theme, background, and we got the Subaru logo stars on top. Obviously, as you can tell, this is the rear. Throw it back in there so make sure there's no scratches and stuff. And this one should be the front. This is the front. Okay, and when you look at the symbol of the Subaru, the big star is always on the left, the small star is always on the right. Okay, nice. Okay, put it back in the bag before I scratch it. Blah 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 blah. You know, I'm pretty picky with things. I'm careful with my things. I'm careful what I do, you know, when I'm doing it, installing and all that stuff. I do know for sure these right here, I'm gonna need a fishing line. You know those lines that you connect to your fishing rod to catch fish? I'm gonna need a good maybe about a 3-4 foot of that line, so I can cut that adhesive goo back of the original badge, so I can put these bad boys on. So we're doing the car full makeover. As you guys can see, I did spoil my fiance, and she's getting all this for her anniversary. Now who would do what I do? No one but me. All right guys, let's go back to FaceTime. All right guys, we're back. So we got the emblems here. We got the fog lights. We got the signal lens lights here as well. When we're doing all of this all by myself. So I will show you guys the lights that is already on the car factory. I'll show you what's the difference between the OEM on these, and you see how bright they are. I want to do as much pictures and videos I can get, that way you guys can see the output on these lights, how good they look, how the factory will look, etc. Okay, I want to do the best I can. Be patient with me, okay? And I'm doing all the work by myself, unless somebody's gonna help me installing it. But yeah. What else can I do? Oh yeah, that's all for this product review here. So Foglight, signal light, badges. Okay, I am missing the side badges on the fenders. They're out of stock. I will show it to you, but obviously I don't have them because they're out of stock until we get more. So we're gonna have to wait on that one. But yeah, that's all I have right now for this product here. We're doing full facelift on this Subaru here. All the lights is gonna be completely upgraded so she can see and drive at night well, and the car is gonna look awesome. It's gonna look badass. It's gonna be bright as hell, and no more worrying about you know, oh, I can't see, oh, I'm blind, you know, no more of that kind of crap. Okay, so she doesn't know she's getting all this stuff here. She will see it once I'm done and installing it, and after I install it, I'll probably do a wash too. Car is dirty too right now. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked the pro review. And the price wise, I've got to tell you the price. The price on the fog lights, I think they're like 100 something. Yeah. All the lights that I've shown you, I'll add the links at the very bottom. So if you guys need a pair for your car, you guys can check it out yourself. The reflectors don't work that much. I think they're like maybe 80 bucks or maybe 100 bucks, I'm guessing. I forgot. Cause I bought these online and I've been waiting for them, just patiently waiting for them, and they finally showed up. So again, I will show you guys. I will add the link to the very bottom of the video if you guys need these kind of stuff here, okay, for your car. And who knows, you guys own a SUBARU WRX or an STI, you guys buy like this or that, and you can pick up a pair yourself, okay? Without you guys, I will not able to continue making these videos. You guys keep me going. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channel, watching my content, and subscribing to my channel as well. Please give me a thumbs like, subscribe, hit that notification bell at the very bottom left, bottom right of your video, of your screen. So every new video will come out, you'll be the first one to get it as well. I also want to throw reminders that when I get 1,500 subscribers, I'm giving a giveaway. When I do 2,000 subscribers, I'm doing another giveaway as well. You guys keep me going, okay? Without you guys, I will not continue making these kind of footage and continue making these videos for you guys and show you everything that I've done on this content on my entire YouTube, which is food, paintball, firearms, cars, my work adventure, food adventure, you know, fun adventure. I do what I can, okay? So be patient with me, and there'll be more footage coming on the way, okay? Again, from the bottom of my heart, thank you for watching, for your support. If you have any questions, please ask away, or you want me to do a particular subject or particular review, ask away. If I can get my hands on it, I'll do an open review for you guys as well. Yeah, that's all I have right now. Thank you for watching. Until next time, peace. Oh, and stay tuned for the next video. I'll do an install on these as well. All right, catch you later.